Ready to launch your XRP portfolio without getting burned by crazy fees? Today, we're diving deep into the art of buying XRP the smart way, minimizing those pesky transaction costs so you can maximize your potential profits. First, ditch those market orders. Instead, embrace limit orders. Set your desired XRP price and wait for the market to meet you. This avoids instantly buying at a higher price due to market fluctuations and often comes with lower fees. Next, look into fee discounts offered by your exchange. Many platforms provide tiered VIP programs. The more you trade, the lower your fees become. See if reaching a higher tier is achievable for you. Funding your account wisely is key. Credit card deposits often come with hefty fees. Bank transfers or even depositing other cryptocurrencies and then trading for XRP can be significantly cheaper. Do your research and pick the least expensive option. Don't just settle for the first exchange you see. Compare the fees of different platforms. Some exchanges are known for their lower XRP transaction fees compared to others. A little comparison goes a long way. By using limit orders, leveraging fee discounts, and choosing cost-effective funding methods, you'll be well on your way to accumulating XRP without sacrificing your hard-earned cash to excessive fees. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested back into XRP. Invest smartly.